Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a viral overlay masking effect for your reels using Capcut. It looks super cool and trust me, it's easier than you think. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Capcut and then just import your clips that you want to use like this. And then don't forget to add your background music. And then now mark the beats of your song so you know exactly where to sing the transitions like this. You can mark the beats by tap on the beats they want, this one, and then just pick one your clips and then place it right on the first beat you mark like this. For example, I will choose these clips and then I will make it as an overlay and then I will place it on the first beat. For example, like this. And then just go to max and then choose rectangle, this one, and then position it like this. And then next choose another clips again and set it an overlay again and then place it on the next bit and again just go to max and position it slightly differently. Make it as an overlay and then place it on the second bit like this. Just the durations and then go to max and then rectangle. For example like this. And then you can just get creative with this. The arrangement of your overlay max depends on your clips and your music, so feel free to experiment. And for this tutorial, I will build my overlay like this. And once your first overlay max is done, move on the next clips, this one, and then freeze the first keyframe. And then just remove the background like this and then make it as an overlay. Like this, and then add keyframes at the start and another at the end on the cut out clips like this. And then now hide the cutout at the beginning and refill it slowly like this. And then just for extra polish add craft so the movement feels more natural like this. And then just repeat this process for your other clips. Overlay, max, freeze, cut out, and animate. And then keep syncing everything to the beats until your whole video is finished. And by the end, your edit will look like this. Like this. And that's it, how you create a viral overlay masking effect for your reels in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.